Hi, welcome. Let's start this topic from the beginning. Do you have the urge to start a business but don't know where to start? You've come to the right place. Here's a scripture to take into account when starting a business. Ecclesiastes 11:4 says, "He who watches the wind will not sow, and he who looks at the clouds will not reap." It warns against procrastination and urges us to act. To register a company in South Africa, you'll work with the CIPC and SARS. I'll walk you step by step through the common structure and registration steps. Step 1. Choose a business structure. Pick the one that fits your goals. Private company, or PT Limited, is the most popular choice. A separate legal entity with limited liability. It must have at least one director and one shareholder. Partnership. 2 or more people share responsibilities, profits, and losses. Partners can be jointly liable. Sole proprietorship. One individual runs the business. No legal separation between owner and business. Non-profit company. For public benefit or social activities, profits are not distributed to members. Step 2. Register with the CIPC. Much of the process is online via BizPortal or eServices. Create a customer account on BizPortal or eServices. Deposit funds to cover registration fees. Typical costs: R125 for registration, plus around R50 for name reservation. Reserve a company name optional. You can apply for up to 4 names or use the registration number as the company name. Submit the registration application online, providing company details, directors, and incorporators. Make sure all required fields are complete before submission. Submit and save confirmation emails or reference numbers. Email signed application forms and certified copies of directors' IDs to the designated CIPC address. Ensure IDs or passports are certified. Use a power of attorney when needed. After processing, you'll receive your registration certificate, Core 14.3, and your Memorandum of Incorporation. Store these documents safely. Banks and partners will request them. Required documents: certified copies of IDs or passports for all directors and incorporators. Also include a certified power of attorney if using a representative, and name reservation confirmation if applicable. Step 3. Register for taxes with SARS once your CIPC registration is complete. If you registered online with CIPC, a company income tax number is usually generated automatically. Confirm the details with SARS and keep your tax number handy. VAT. Register if annual turnover exceeds R1 million. Voluntary registration is possible when income is more than R50,000. If you hire employees, register for Payee and UIF to handle employee tax and contributions. Step 4. Open a business bank account to separate personal and business finances. Banks typically require your CIPC registration certificate, MOI, and director's IDs. Step 5. Depending on your industry, you may need extra registrations like BBE for large contracts or registration with the Compensation Fund, COIDA, if you have employees. Start now. Use these steps as your roadmap and act, even if conditions aren't perfect. Subscribe for more practical guides and download the checklist in the description.